Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are unboxing Zoom H1n handy recorder, and this is the first impression of the box. It's made of a normal cardboard. So let's check the details in description. Month and year of import is September 2022 and the MRP is for 9,880 rupees. So this all includes in the box the recorder, AAA batteries, 2 pieces and a quick guide. So let's get into it. One thing I noticed over here, there's no sealed on the box. The box is not sealed. This is just a plastic tape and this is the opening. So let's do the unboxing. So these are the batteries you get. Max power, 2 pieces. The handy recorder comes in a cotton pouch. Let's keep this aside. So this is how it looks. It's made of plastic but durable. This is some sort of cage around the microphones. We won't go into a detailed review, it's just an unboxing. And we also have a manual with it. So this is the instruction manual. And also what comes in the box: the recorder, quick guide and 2 batteries. Okay, so let's check out the product. So what we have here is a very compact size audio recorder. Okay, so it's very lightweight plastic. No batteries inside. Let's put the batteries in and power it up. So the design is well made. All buttons over here are sturdy. So the front side we see a screen which has 4 buttons over here in the upper corner side: audio, low cut, limiter, auto level. The recording main button, pause, forward, back and rewind. Okay, and this is the micro SD slot. The power button is over here. I hope you can see it properly. This is not USB type C but a normal USB cable. This is to power it on. It also has a hold button, so in case if you place this thing in your pocket or in your bag, the buttons should not work after you press this button, or you keep it as a hold. And I think this is the delete button. Whatever the audio recording are in your SD card, you can delete it from here. Volume button, plus and minus. This is basically for the earphones. And this is for an external mic if you are using a lavalier mic. So guys, let's talk about the Zoom H1n for a few minutes. So basically, the size and the design is very compact and lightweight, making it easy to carry around in a pocket or a bag. The build quality is solid. The controls over here you can see are well laid. Overall, the design is simple and functional, which is exactly what you want in a portable recorder. And I have not tested yet the audio quality, so we'll get into it later on. It will be another review in depth. But what I have heard in the videos from the company itself, that this offers excellent audio quality for a device in this price range, which you get here in India for 9,000 rupees. Right now the offers are going on, so it will cost around 8,000 rupees. That depends on the location you're from. Okay, so this has a built-in stereo microphones with great clarity, I guess so. And also I would like to share you two important things, which is, if you're buying it from here in Mumbai, you should always be careful of a proper bill. Please go with a proper bill for this device, because this device comes with a warranty for 2 years. Okay, so in case if you don't go for the bill, you won't be able to use the warranty in case if anything goes off with this device. The service center is somewhere at Dadar in Mumbai. Okay, and the second important thing is, always go for a genuine micro SD card. For the version would be anything 8 GB, 16 GB, 32 GB maximum. It depends on what work you're doing. Okay, so go for a genuine SD card, micro SD card, that is of SanDisk, 32 GB maximum. And I think right now I'm using 16 GB micro SD card, so there's more space in it. And if you talk about the battery life, so the normal battery goes up to 10 hours continuous recording time. I think this is more than enough for such a device. And if you still wanted more, you can always carry an extra battery pack with you for this. And these are not the chargeable batteries, these are the ones which you use and throw. And the connectivity thing, we have a headphone jack over here, this thing. This is the line out, as I mentioned earlier. You can also use the H1n as a USB microphone for your computer or a mobile device, which is nice added bonus according to my opinion. Overall, I would say that I highly recommend this audio recorder over the lavalier microphones. And also I would like to add a bonus thing, which is the dead cat. So this is made from a floor mat. I have made this, I haven't bought it from the internet, but you will find it on Amazon. It depends on the pricing and the quality, so it comes around 400 rupees to 4,000 rupees. So I have made it myself, this thing. So it fixes on the top for the wind noise reduction. So this is how it looks after the dead cat. So this is basically for the wind noise reduction. It covers the microphone pretty good. This will be useful for those who are pretty much exposed to the air, to the wind. If you are doing a motovlog, so this basically setup is for my motovlog channel, and it will protect from the wind. Okay, so this is very useful thing which you should buy if you are doing a motovlog or doing a vlog in open air. where there is too much of wind passing by, so you don't have to work more in the post editing. And usually I don't edit my videos. So that's it. That's the important thing I wanted to mention in this video. So thank you for watching. Please make sure you do like and subscribe, or comment me what else you need to know about this product. See ya.